This modern attraction in central Budapest is often described as a museum of lights and magic, though in reality it is far removed from the idea of traditional museum. Rather than displaying historical objects or static exhibits, it invites visitors into an immersive multimedia environment where light, sound, digital art, projection, mapping and sensory technologies combine to create a drifting, dreamlike journey. Moving through the space feels less like walking through galleries and more like passing through a sequence of carefully composed atmospheres, each one unfolding slowly and intuitively. Experience leads you through a series of themed rooms, each designed to engage the senses in different ways. Light and image respond to movement, sound shifts as you pass through spaces, and digital forms seem to breathe and transform around you. Projection mapping environments merge with audio-visual works and sculptural elements, including final crafted 3D printed forms, blurring the boundary between the physical and the virtual. times the visual feel playful and wondrous. At others they are quietly hypnotic, encouraging, lingering and reflecting rather than quick consumption. It is a space that naturally invites photography, but it also rewards those who simply stand still and allow the environment to unfold. Overall atmosphere is often described as stepping into an alternative reality, somewhere between an art installation, a digital theatre, and a futuristic fantasy world. Light and sound are not used as decoration, but as an active force, shaping emotion and perception and replacing the idea of passive viewing with a sense of presence and immersion. Rather than offering explanations or labels, the experience allows meaning to emerge through sensation, mood, and movement. The result is an encounter that feels personal, fluid, and slightly unmoored from ordinary time, very much in keeping with its name and spirit. So if you ever come to Budapest, why not immerse yourself in this alternative reality? So thank you very much for watching, and I do hope to see you again.